Shubor Nagaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Nongialam ka All India Congress Committee in charge Meghalaya Dr. A. Chelakumar Ulang bun ki Nongialam jong ka seng kila e no ya ka seng bat penia so bat ki we ki seng kila banwan penia so Biang Lada kila snotho bat shem ya karai banwan phai Biang haba Kren ba kinong tho khubor ne ka sngi halor ka jinga kandu i ki Nongialam bat kinong kershan ka Congress ha Congress bhavan Ulang ba ka seng ka klem pha yanu ban ya Kren bat ki Nongialam barim jong ka seng kila penia so bat ki we ki seng Kumyo Dr. Mukul Sangma ba Charles Pingro bakinwan penya so Biang bat kaseng. Uchela Kumar ula benrap da ka baong ba utrang banyu i baki pat ba kinwan penya so Biang bat ka Congress ban pin klan chu na ka benta ka jimentoy jong ka jella bat ka ri barok ka we. Ula pen pau ro ia ka jing kermen ba ka Congress kan na banyo yo so ka jing job bat lam khamat ya ka EC ha district council.
It is very fast growing actually. A lot of people wants to join with the Congress party. Already they have joined and many more people are there. There's in queue to join the Congress. We will admit one by one. You will come to know in the course of time. Yeah, we will revive the Congress party. This district council election, we will definitely form the council. No, that's what I have explained to the meeting also to the candidates. See, we have joined along with the NPP in the district council to ensure and strengthen the 6th schedule. See, Congress is not in sharing the power in Delhi now today, but NPP in the last 10 years they are sharing the power in Delhi, but they could not be able to include the language in the 8th schedule till today. But when the Congress has joined hands with the district council, we could empower the women and the youths. So this is the difference between the Congress and the other political parties. No, we have not sent any feelers to anybody. But if someone wants to join the Congress party, yes, we will welcome it. No doubt about it. See, I want all the congressmen to come back to Congress, to strengthen the Congress. Not only for the interest of the Congress party, it is for the interest of the state of Meghalaya and also the country. Everybody knows what is going on in the country today, so we welcome it, that's all.
So
we are not giving any invitation to anybody, or we are not running after anybody. If anybody wants to join, let them come forward.
So from your side, will you considering talking to these people?
No, first of all, they have to make their mind. So let them come out open, then we'll see that.